Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog ramps for your bed, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Doggo Ramp's Dog Ramp. Available in 2 sizes to accommodate dogs less than 50 pounds, small bed ramp, or dogs weighing more than 50 and up to 200 pounds. Large bed ramp. This sturdy ramp is the king of dog ramps. Handmade in North America from solid maple, this ramp is 64 inches long and adjustable to various heights to accommodate beds ranging from 12 to 37 inches tall, or up to 35 inches tall for the large ramp. The reversible and removable safety rails allow your pet to feel secure when walking up the gentle incline. An anchor rope slides between your mattress and attaches to the bed frame and the ramp to keep the ramp extra stable. The soft rubbery surface provides traction underfoot. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PetSafe Foldable Dog Car Ramp. The PetSafe Happy Ride Ramp is 62 inches long, providing a gentle angle when placed between the floor and high surfaces, such as a sofa or car seat. Rubber feet keep it from slipping. The ramp folds and has a safety latch so it won't come undone when you're storing it. Because it weighs just 10 pounds, which is far less than most other ramps, you will be able to transport it from place to place. From your sofa to the car, for example, with ease. Because it's only 4 inches deep and 31 inches long when folded, it won't take up a ton of storage space in your car or house when not in use. At number 3, we have the Pawnautch Adjustable Dog Ramp. Made in Oregon, this ramp has 6 heights, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 inches, to accommodate different size pieces of furniture. At 40 inches long, the Pawnautch ramp has less runway than our favorite, making it a better option for sofas and variable furniture heights than elevated beds. The ramp surface is covered in a thick, ribbed carpet, which provides good traction. The entire thing folds flat to a height of about 4 inches for storage when not in use. At number 2, we have the Doggo Ramp's Couch Ramp. If you have a dog who tends to be skittish in new situations, this ramp has side rails that provide an additional feeling of security. Plus, it will discourage your dog from jumping off the ramp. Like the bed ramp by the same company, this ramp is made in North America from solid maple. It accommodates dogs up to 150 pounds and is also height adjustable to reach surfaces of 14, 17, 19, or 21 inches tall. The ramp folds to 3 inches flat for storage. At 36 inches long, it will allow you to set up a gentle incline to reach most chairs and sofas so your pet can access his or her favorite napping spot. If you purchase the couch ramp with the optional rails, for a small additional fee, you'll receive 2 sets of side rails and 1 top rail so that you can block it off as needed, depending on how you place it up against the sofa or chair. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pet Gear Stairs and Ramp. This combination step ramp has 1 step, a gently sloping ramp, and a 9-inch wide landing at the top, which makes it easy for little dogs to get where they need to go. It's a good alternative if you need a ramp that doesn't take up a ton of space in small rooms or areas of your home. The plastic pieces snap together, while the removable carpet tread is machine washable. Although the steps are for dogs up to 150 pounds, this step is best with small to medium-sized pets, not the big boys and girls. Pet parents say it's fairly sturdy, but it's not tall enough for most beds. Also, the bottom step has a 5-inch rise, so that still requires a small jump for very small dogs. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon